Hi, this is Jane Edelman, and in this brief tutorial I will show you how to create a template using QuickParts. To begin, open Word. Open a blank document, and then go ahead and create your form, letter, or document you wish to make in a template. In this case, I'm going to create a phone message template. This is the form that I have created. Adding QuickParts allows me to turn it into a fillable form. To begin, click into the document where you wish to add the QuickPart. I have clicked after the two spaces following message form. Then either make sure you're on the insert ribbon. If not, click on the insert ribbon and come to the right of the ribbon and select the QuickParts icon. Once there, click on Field from the drop-down menu. Drag the scroll bar down under Field Names until you find Fill In. Then click on it. Type the prompt that you want to appear when you run the form. Think of it as a message to your future self or a colleague in your firm using the form that you have created. In this case, my prompt is type the name of the person being called. Next, you want to type the default answer. This should be the answer you would normally give, such as the name of the attorney that you primarily work with, and it should be typed in a format to model for you the form of the answer. In this case, I'm going to type my default answer as Alice P. Partner. Once I'm satisfied with how I've got it set up and formatted, I'm going to go ahead and click OK. You'll see a preview of the prompt, of how the prompt will work once the form is run, and if it looks okay, go ahead and click OK, and you see it fills in the information. You would then complete the form by creating fill-ins for the remainder of the blanks in the form. I have now created fill-ins for each of the remaining blanks. You can tell that they're fields because if I click into them, the entire field will highlight. And so I've created prompts and default answers for each of the items. Once you've completed the document with fill-ins, the next critical steps are to save the document as a template and to run the template. To save your document as a template, click on File, and then either select Save if it's a new document, or Save As if you've already saved the document under a different name. I'm going to click Save As. And I'm going to select a location for the document. You can pick any location on your computer to save your file, such as documents or desktops. I'm going to name my template. I'm going to call this phone message template form. And then here comes the critical point. Click the drop-down arrow under the Save Type As, and instead of a Word document, we want to save this as a Word template. You will notice that no matter where you originally designated to save the template, Word is now going to save it in your Custom Office Templates folder. Unless you have a good reason not to do so, allow your template to be saved in this folder, as it makes it very easy to find and use your template. Then click Save. To use your template, click File, then click on New, and then select Personal. Make sure that you pick the Personal all in caps next to the Featured in blue rather than Suggested Searches Personal. Look for the template you just created. So there it is, phone message template. Double click on it and answer the prompts or click OK to accept the default answers in the form that you created. Thank you for watching this brief tutorial on the QuickPart Fill-In feature of Word.